Hello everyone, my name is Sakleen Mullah and today is 24th of November and I am here to talk about the break and continue statements in Java. So first of all, we need to understand that the Java compiler executes the code from top to bottom and the statements in the code are executed in whatever manner they appear. But sometimes if we need to control the flow of the statements according to our requirement. So the Java will provide us with the statements such as break and continue. There is sometimes a need to skip some statements inside the loop or terminate the loop immediately without even checking the text expression. In such cases, we can use the break statements in Java. Java break and continue statements are used to manage the program flow, and we can use them in a loop to control the loop iterations. These statements let us control loop and switch statements uh, by enabling us to either break out of the loop or jump to the next iteration by skipping the current loop iteration. So, first of all, the break statement. In Java, a break is a statement that is used to break current execution flow of the program. We can use break statement inside loop, switch case, and so on. If break is used inside loop, then it will terminate the loop. If a break is used inside the innermost loop, then break will terminate the innermost loop and only execute and the execution will only start from the outermost loop. If break is used in switch case, then it will terminate the execution after the matched case. Uh, Also, the labeled break statement is used in the Java. If we label the break statement, suppose if we label the break statement with XY, then after breaking the loop, it will go to the XY condition and again it will start from that XY condition. And now the continue statement. The continue statement works like break, but instead of forcing the termination, it will force the next iteration of the loop to take place and skip the rest of the code. Continue statement is mostly used inside loops, whether it is an encountered inside a loop either conditionally or unconditionally. Transfer control to the next iteration of either the current loop of the or an enclosing labeled loop. That's all about the conditional. That's all about the break and continue statement in Java. Thank you.